Behind every high-quality hotel is a high-standard commercial kitchen. As an integrated development combining a hotel, casino, and dining facilities, Plaza de Zamboanga Hotel and Casino demanded a higher standard for its commercial kitchen. From equipment selection to on-site installation, every stage required the perfect balance of efficiency, quality, and seamless coordination. For this project, Shinelong managed the entire process, from detailed equipment design and manufacturing to logistics and on-site installation, ensuring every stage progressed smoothly and according to schedule. During installation, every piece of equipment was carefully positioned, leveled, secured, and prepared with the required utility connections in strict accordance with construction standards. Our team also carried out detailed quality inspections while maintaining close communication with other contractors on site, ensuring the kitchen installation stayed fully aligned with the overall construction progress. At the same time, we completed the initial equipment testing and installation inspection, laying a solid foundation for final commissioning and handover once the hotel's overall construction is completed. At present, Shinelong has successfully completed the commercial kitchen equipment installation, while the hotel's interior construction is still underway. Once the entire project is finished, the kitchen will enter its final commissioning stage before being officially put into operation. Shinelong is committed to delivering one-stop commercial kitchen solutions for hotels, resorts, and mixed-use developments around the world.